matter what business you go into, learn the business of your company. Understand how your company makes money. The best HR people that I've worked with, I think were good business people first. And I think if you are a good business person, you can be a better HR professional. And I think it allows you to work at a more strategic level in the organization. And then the third piece of advice I would give to myself is to relax. I think when I first started out, I was very obsessed with my career, and that was really who I was. As I've matured and become more balanced, I think it's to don't forget the things in life that are important. So, relax and be in the moment and, put in perspective, the people in your life that are important.